What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create an animated toggle switch in Figma. First we're going to open the Figma application. After that we will create a frame using the frame tool in the toolbar. Next we're going to use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle which we will use as the base of the toggle switch. Now we're going to align the rectangle to the center of the frame. After that we will change the border radius to 150 pixels. Let's fill the rounded rectangle with a color. The color code we will be using is #FF3737. Next we're going to create a circle using the ellipse shape from the shape tool. After that we will add a white stroke of 15 pixels to the circle and we will remove the fill color of it. Now let's make a copy of this frame. For that you're gonna need to hold down Alt key and drag to create a copy of it. You can simply use the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Next we're gonna move the circle of the second frame to the right side. Let's change the fill color of the track of the toggle switch. The color code we will be using is #6CD42B. Now let's go to the prototype section. Click on the thumb of the toggle switch of the first frame and drag to the second frame to form a connection. After that click on the thumb of the toggle switch of the second frame and drag to the first frame. To view the toggle button in action, click on the play button on the top right corner. There you have it guys. If you find this tutorial helpful please like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.